Hello, how are you guys? I hope you are all doing well. Yeah, so I have a short video here, analysis of GBPUSD. So let's go straight to it. Okay, first we go to the bigger time frame. We go now for our time frame, and we have a look at it, and we can clearly see the price is currently at a supply zone. This is our supply zone in the bigger time frame. For our time frame, this is our supply zone. So what we want to do, we want to go to the lower time frame and look for a break of structure. As you can see, you can tell from the higher time frame, you can see there is already break of structure in the higher time frame. So this is the first confirmation for our sell entry here, because we'll be looking at sales here, and this is our second confirmation at the higher time frame. So let's go to the lower time frame. That is, let's have a look at 1 hour time frame. Yeah, and guys, as you can clearly see, this is what we are looking for. We are looking for a clean break of structure and liquidity mitigation in this. Let me do with this one so we can focus on the lower time frame here. As you can tell here, this structure has been broken by this point here. So as you can see, the market has shifted direction and is going on a downtrend right now. So let's go ahead and draw our levels. So the first key level here, we want to see liquidity being grabbed on the buy side. So we can see here liquidity has been grabbed. So this is our third confirmation, guys. As you can tell, this is our third confirmation. This is a very good setup for me, and this is an A+ setup. So we can see here we have the break of structure. Okay, so what we want to do, we want to look for the order block. That is the order block on the most premium supply zone. So our premium supply zone is here. So we are going to find an order block at this zone. So this will be the hourly order block. Let's see if on lower time frame we can find a better entry. Let's go to 30 minutes. So you can see still the same order block on 30 minutes, which means these are very strong order block. So let's have a look at lower time frame on 15 minutes, if we can find still, guys, still the same thing. So these are very powerful order block because it's on all time frame from 1 hour to 15 minutes. Let's just look at 5 minutes time frame, and guys, still you can see these. So these are very powerful order block, and I know price must return to that zone before going down. So what we want to do is we want to put our entry point at this level here. So I'm gonna do that right away. That will be our entry. Okay, so guys, this was our third confirmation. We want also to see liquidity being taken on inside here. We want to see liquidity being taken here before our price goes to our entry. We want to see liquidity being taken. So guys, you can see here liquidity has been taken right here. So now this is our fourth confirmation, guys. I don't know how many confirmation you need, but that's That's good one for me. Actually, this is our fifth confirmation because we had this one here on bigger time frame. the price is currently at our supply zone on bigger time frame. Also on the bigger time frame, there is break of structure. So the first two confirmation. Then we have this one here, liquid being taken on buy side, and break of structure on the lower time frame, and also liquidity being taken inside this area here. So what we shall do, this will be our entry point, and we'll put stop loss just some few pips above this zone here. So our exit will be the demand zone, the previous demand zone before the market did this upside push. So this will be our exit for this trade. So we will have this is 1 to 7 risk reward ratio trade. This is a very good setup, an A plus setup, guys. So let's have a look at NZD card. I'd also seen a very good setup here on NZD card. Let's go to bigger time frame, and on bigger time frame you can see this supply zone here has been mitigated already. You see clearly this order block here has been taken, and so the market is currently selling. So we are going to look for sell setups here. So these are, you can see, these are our first confirmation here, this supply zone, and our second confirmation we can see break of structure going on the bigger time frame, break of structure to the downside. So let's go to the lower time frame and have a look, so we can find a refined entry. So let me clear this one, and we can go to the low time frame, 30 minutes, and have a look. Yeah, so guys, here we go. So this first break of structure is there, right guys. So what about the most premium supply zone? Will be right here. So you can see the market already has picked our trade. So this is the second confirmation, and our third confirmation, we want to see this liquidity inside here before being taken. The liquidity before our entry point, we want to see it being taken. So guys, there we go. Here we have a break of structure, and so we go further down, and we see here there is another break of structure. So what do? We go further to the lower time frame and find an entry here. Now let me go first to the 15-minute time frame. Yeah guys, so this will be our order block here, I think, because you can see on that 30-minute time frame is still the same one, on the 15 minutes still the same one. Let's go back to the 5 minutes time frame. So I want us to find a good entry point. So still the same one, guys. So we shall do, let's draw it at on 15-minute time frame. Let me look at 3-minute time frame, because we want a good entry, guys. This is still the same. So let me look at 5 minutes. I'll just do it. I know it's a big order block, but you'll have to use it in this case. So guys, first you could have already entered here in this first entry, because these are second entry we are looking at here. So let me do away with that first entry and 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, so this will be our second entry here. You know, this is not a perfect one, but yeah, does the work. So what about our exit? Our exit will be the demand zone below this side here. Also, we can see there is some sell side liquidity here, so our exit will be right below that liquidity on the demand zone on that area. So you can see I'll just put my exit right there, and I'll be, because this was our first entry, we'll go with this entry. So yeah, and that's it guys for today's video. Please watch, share and subscribe. Okay.